Breaking bad habits. Tiny changes for big results. Breaking bad habits can be challenging, but making small, manageable changes can lead to significant improvements. If you're aware of your bad habits and ready to make a change, you're in the right place. Here are tips on how to break bad habits and transform your life. 1. Tiny changes lead to big results. There is power in starting small. Instead of overhauling your entire routine, focus on making tiny adjustments. For example, if you're trying to cut back on sugary snacks, begin by swapping just one snack for a healthier option. These small changes can snowball into significant improvements over time. The key is consistency and making gradual adjustments that fit seamlessly into your daily life. 2. Hide the temptations. One effective way to break a bad habit is to make it less accessible. If you're trying to stop snacking while watching TV, keep snacks out of sight or in another room. The less you see the temptation, the easier it will be to resist it. This simple trick can significantly reduce the frequency of your bad habit and help you stick to healthier choices. 3. Add a little pain. To make a bad habit less appealing, introduce a small consequence. For example, place a jar in front of you and add a coin every time you indulge in the bad habit. Watching those coins pile up can serve as a tangible reminder of your goal and encourage you to change your behavior. This technique adds a small but effective deterrent to help you stay on track. 4. Interrupt with a new routine. Replacing a bad habit with something positive can also be effective. If you find yourself mindlessly scrolling through social media, substitute this time with a quick walk or a few minutes of reading. This approach helps you transition smoothly from old behaviors to new, healthier ones. 5. Make it super easy. Try to make new habits more approachable. Break the new habit down into something that takes just 2 minutes. For instance, if you want to start exercising, just commit to putting on your workout clothes. Often, starting is the hardest part, and once you're in motion, you're more likely to continue. This simple trick can make forming new habits feel less overwhelming. 6. Patience is key. Finally, remember that forming new habits and breaking old ones takes time. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Celebrate your small victories and keep pushing forward. With patience and persistence, you'll gradually shift from old habits to new, healthier ones.